Are you looking to build your dream home from the ground up, but needing to figure out how a construction loan works? Let's dig into it. With a house and land construction loan, you receive funds in stages as your home is being built. The funds are released based on the costs of completing each part of the construction process. Brighten offers an easy solution with our construction loan product tailored for customers seeking financing for both acquiring the land and building the house. This is available for full doc, alt doc, expat, and non-resident borrowers. Let's take a look at a simple example for self-employed borrowers. Sally and John are a couple who own a marketing agency together. They are currently renting but want to build their dream home and start a family together. Sally and John find an empty block of land worth $400,000 and have gotten quotes from builders to build the house for an additional $400,000. The total value of the house and land is therefore $800,000. Sally and John plan to borrow $600,000, making their LVR 75%. They will then need to pay their 25% deposit of $200,000 towards the land price of $400,000. Brighten would then lend the remaining $200,000 required to settle the land and 100% of the build cost of $400,000. This would usually be done in 5 progressive payments. Brighten will arrange an inspection of the construction progress for Sally and John's build and advance the progress payments on their behalf at each stage. After construction, the interest rate will revert to a home loan specific to the borrower's type. In this scenario, it will revert to the Brighten Boss Prime variable rate. What type of property is not available for a construction loan? We don't accept vacant land, owner builders, split contracts, costs plus contracts, simple works contracts, or any building contract that allows progressive payment for construction beyond work completed. If you would like to know more about Brighten's construction loan products, please get in touch and find out how we can help.